Education is not the learning of facts, but the training of the mind to think. So let's learn and enjoy mathematics. Our lesson is about fundamental counting principle. What could be our objectives? First, we will enumerate fundamental counting techniques. Second, we list the possible ways a certain task or activity can be done. And then the third, apply learning about fundamental counting principle. What is fundamental counting principle? It is the relationship between the number of possible outcomes and the number of decisions to be made. If we have k decisions to make, while there are number of possible outcomes 1, that is the first decision, number of possible outcomes 2, that is the second decision, the number of possible outcomes 3, that is the third decision, and n sub k, that is kth decision. We multiply the first decision times the second decision, third decision, and then so on. In example number 1, Rona is a grade 10 student of a certain school. Her father drives her to school before 7 a.m. Due to heavy traffic, her father considers options to arrive in school on time. There are 2 routes from their house to the plaza area and 3 routes from the plaza area to the school. How many ways can Rona go from her house to school? So as you can see in the diagram, from house to plaza, from plaza to the school. From house to plaza, we have 2 routes, route 1 and then route 2. And then from plaza up to the school, we have 3 routes. So route 1, route 2, route 3. Can you think how many ways can Rona go from her house to school? Using the fundamental counting principle, from house to plaza, we have 2 routes. From plaza up to the school, we have 3 routes. So that is 2 times 3. The answer is 6 possible ways from house going to school. So kung ililista natin lahat yan, mula sa bahay, from house, going to plaza, first route, and then first route going to school. So that's the first. Second, from first route going to plaza and second route going to school. Second. First route going to plaza and third route going to school. So we have 3 possible ways from the first route of house going to plaza. If we try the second route going to plaza, so second route going to plaza and then first route going to school, fourth. Second route going to plaza and then second route going to school, 5. And then second route going to plaza and third route going to school. As you can see, we have 6 possible ways. If we use the fundamental counting principle, that is the same. 2 times 3, the answer is 6 possible ways. In example number 2, 4 different books of Filipino, Math, English, and Science are to be arranged on a shelf. How many arrangements are possible? So what could be the solutions using the fundamental counting principle? The solution is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24 times 1. The answer is 24 different ways. Paano naging 4, 3, 2, and 1? Kung meron tayong 4 na libro, so we have 4 choices. And then afterwards, kung napili na natin yung isa, ibig sabihin nun, 3 na lang yung pagpipilian. Kung napili na yung dalawa, 2 na lang yung pagpipilian. Kung napili na yung 3, we have 1. So 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24, and then times 1, the answer is 24 different ways or 24 arrangements are possible to arrange Filipino, Math, English, and Science books. In example number 3, your favorite fast food lunch student combo, which consists of unlimited rice meal, soup, dessert, and drink for 50 pesos. They offer the following choices: so rice meal, dessert, and drink. How many combos are there? For the rice meal, we have tocino, tapa, longanisa, hotdog, and bacon. So we have 5 choices. While the dessert, yema and pulveron, we have 2 choices. While the drinks, that is cola, iced tea, and root beer. So that is 3 choices. What do you think? How many combos are there? So let us multiply the rice meal, the dessert, and then the drinks. So 5 times 2 is 10. 10 times 3 is 30. So 30 possible outcomes or 30 possible choices for the rice meal, dessert, drinks combo. In example number 4, you are taking a math quiz that has 6 true or false questions. If you answer each question and leave none of them blank, in how many ways can you answer the whole test? So we have 6 questions from question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And we have 2 choices, that is true or false. The choices for question 1, we have 2. Question number 2, we have 2 choices, that is true or false. Same with question 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have 2 choices, that is true or false. So let us multiply to get the how many ways to answer the whole test. So that is 2 times 2, 4, times 2, 8, times 2, 16, times 2, 32, times 2 is 64 different ways to answer the test. Instruction: answer the following questions using fundamental counting principle. Provide your answers in the comment section. Enjoy learning mathematics. I'm Teresa Tubal. Thank you so much.